crafers, thanks for joining me here in the attic. So pull up a chair, grab your favorite beverage, and we'll get to crafting and memory keeping. Welcome to day 18 of my unboxing and creating series, where I am creating with the Cora Crea Crafts Advent Box. I am opening a pack each day from now until December 24th. If this is your first time here, there's a link in the description box for the playlist where you can go back and catch the past videos. If you're returning, I'd like to welcome you back. So let's get on to opening day 18. This is a smaller pack. Feels kind of circular in there, so let's see what we might have today. There we go. Get this open and see what day 18 has. Got some stickers. These look very Aztec. See if they say. They do not say, so let's see if I can get this open so we can look at what they look like. We've gotten some of these PET tape stickers before. They've made a great addition to the Advent calendar. Enjoyed creating with them. We have not had this theme except in those coins and in the dragons earlier. Let's see what we've got. Find the end. Alright. Definitely Aztec. We've got some skulls. Dragon, some jewelry, the bird, more jewelry and skulls. Trying to get to where it repeats. Got right much here. That skull there's the first repeat right here. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that off so we can get an idea what we're working with. And that's a lot on there, and these stickers are pre-cut. So you don't have to cut those, and they're clear stickers. And that's a lot before it repeats. So let's take a look what we've got here. These are beautiful. Got a lot of skulls, a lot of artifacts, some totems. Alright, I'm going to pause the video here and come back and see what we can create. What I've grabbed is some book page, some scrapbook paper and cardstock, some metallic rub-on wax in different shades of gold and patina, and 2 distressed oxides, evergreen bough, and scorched timber. So I'm going to add some music and let's see what we can create. came together pretty easy. I decided to make a multi-layered pocket that I can attach to the journal and put tags in it. So let me take the tags out and I'll show you the pocket. So this pocket will just get glued into the journal. And I did the diagonal pockets. I added some of the stickers that came in the kit and my day 18 sticker. And then for the tags, I did some of the book page map behind the stickers. I inked the edges with the evergreen bow, direct paper to ink pad technique. And I created these 4 tags. I used some of the metallic wax on the hole reinforcers, and then I added the trim as the tag pulls. So we still have a few more days left in this series of our Creating with the Cora Crea Crafts Advent Box. So I'd love it if you'd hit the subscription button and the notification bell so you'll be notified the next time I put up any new content. And in the spirit of the holidays here in the attic, I leave you with my beverage choice of the day, a dark chocolate almond that came in my coffee Advent box. And let's see what chocolate we have. Day 18. Day 18 is the milk cream with hazelnut. So I'm going to sit back, enjoy my chocolate and my coffee. And until I see y'all again here in the attic, y'all take care.